So, distinguished guests, thank you very much, Aaron, for having me here, and all of you. I'm between you and dessert. Make it quick. So, I'm Jonathan. I'm the Executive Chairman of the Singapore Space and Technology Ltd. So, let me just get straight to it. When Aaron first spoke to me about this, more than a year ago, to be quite honest, there's not many things, we're from the space sector, so there are not many things that really makes you say wow, but this is one of those moments. And then we're just staring at each other and in the office, and then I said, what do you want me to do, right? Because you want to build a ship, and, if you're going to the moon, you call me, but otherwise. I think it got to the point where a lot of the things that we do actually parallel a lot of things that I think Earth 300 and the whole mission entails. So a little bit about what SSTL does. We help to coordinate all the space activities in Singapore. I mean, that includes various industry programs, R&D efforts, outreach, and so forth. And all that technology has a lot of spin-offs, right? And all those spin-offs are typically very terrestrial driven. We look at how we are going to moon, Mars, and all that. And a lot of those cutting-edge technology actually diffuses back to what we're doing today. And if you honestly want to sustain yourself on Moon and Mars, first you have to sustain yourself quite well here on Mother Earth. And I think that's what the whole Earth 300 effort is about. I think on our end, our goal is to help to look at the technologies, help to build those verticals. It's a lot of deep tech areas. We talked about an accelerator just now, and this is an area that we also would try our best to bring to the table as we run accelerators for space companies. But these space companies tend to also support a variety of environmental monitoring programs, crisis, disaster relief management, humanitarian assistance programs. And all this is led by satellite technology, right? Satellite technology now actually combats climate change, for example. You can detect a lot of emissions, you can see before, after scenarios. It also supports a lot of environmental crisis management as well, right? So this is where all these areas are very relevant, I think, to the sector. And many of these pillars that we're talking about. And finally, of course, this is very cutting edge technology. And at least in the industry that I'm in, and again, with all of you here and many of the distinguished advisors and company that we are keeping tonight, it cuts across many smart folks, again, all of you here today. So really looking forward to this partnership, and thank you very much for the opportunity.